What is the not equal to symbol? The not equal to symbol means that the left side and the right side are not equal. You've seen the equal sign a lot. It tells you that the left and right side is the same. For example, 4 is equal to 4. Similarly, 2 plus 2 equals 4, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4. Well, sometimes it's useful to say that two things are not the same. That's what the not equal to symbol is for. For instance, are elephants and buffaloes the same animal? Of course not. So you might write elephants are not equal to buffaloes. It's just as simple when writing numbers. 30 equals 30, but 30 is certainly not equal to 57. This means you cannot write 30 equals 57, but you can write 30 is unequal to 57. Think about this example. A blank box does not equal 100. Which numbers can go in the box? Well, there's only one number that is equal to 100, and that is 100, so 100 can't go in the box. Every other number, small or large, some you've seen and some you haven't seen, can go into this box. As long as it is not 100, it's good. The not equal to symbol means that the left side and the right side are not equal.